Hey Google, turn on my floor lamp. Hey Google, turn off my floor lamp.
I understood. Turn off my floor lamp. Is that right?
Yes. And I'm back! Hello, my name's Ron and welcome to another episode of Box TV. Are you planning to set up a smart home system on your new house or existing one? Well, this episode is for you. But before that, what really is a smart home? According to Android Authority website, a smart home is a residence equipped with a number of devices that automate tasks normally handled by humans. Homeowners operate them with applications, voice commands, automation, or artificial intelligence. And why have smart home? To save energy, simplify life, security, handling household tasks, and for entertainment. There are different smart home systems in the market. Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant are the popular ones. I decided to build our smart home system using Google Assistant compatible products. Since I'm an Android user and I've been playing around Google Assistant for a while with my phone. Smart home products comes in different household appliances, gadgets, and accessories such as smart speaker, smart thermostat, smart TV, doorbell, security camera, switches, roller blinds, socket, door locks, motion sensor, and of course smart LED bulb, which we will review and unbox on today's episode. So here's the TP-Link LB120 Smart Tunable LED bulb. Why I choose this brand? Well, the first thing I researched is the review of their app at Google Play Store, which is called Casa. This is important that their app is working perfectly and stable because most of the time you will rely on this app on controlling your LED bulb. So far, it has a 4.7 review and I considered it high. Second, it's the price. It's definitely cheaper than Philips Hue and lower a little bit with the Xiaomi Smart LED bulb. And lastly, you need to check if the brand has other smart home product range that you can pair with this LED bulb, such as IP camera, sockets. So you do need to download different apps to control your smart home system. By the way, I'm giving away one piece of this TP-Link Smart LED bulb worth around 1,700 pesos. So stay tuned at the end of this video for the mechanics. So let's unbox it. In order to use this smart LED bulb, you need a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and an Android or iOS smartphone to download their app. Just to give you the specs, it's an A19 bulb E11 holder with 10 watts or 60 watts equivalent in an incandescent light bulbs. It has a CRI or color rendering index of 80 and a tunable white light which you can select from 2700 Kelvin or warm white up to 6500 Kelvin or daylight. It can also dim up to 1%. If you're wondering what is CRI, I will make a separate episode about different kind of lighting and its technicalities. By the way, I bought this bulb in Singapore and the warranty there is 3 years. Nice packaging! It has the typical quick start guide in different languages and technical support details. So this is a smart LED bulb. It's quite big and heavy actually. You may notice that there's a blue color here. It's a color-coded TP-Link implemented on their smart LED range. Here you can see the size difference from the typical LED bulbs like Opel, Philips, Osram, and Megaman. So you need to make sure that it fits your floor lamp, table lamp, pendant lamp, or wall lamp before buying. I already set up one for my floor lamp and now we will set up my table lamp. I take out the lampshade so you can see the bulb. After you downloaded the Casa app, create or log in your TP-Link account. I have signed in on my account. As you can see, I already set up my floor lamp. You can install the bulb first but don't turn it on yet. Click the plus sign to add your device or group them. Here you can see the different smart home system that you can use this bulb and the different Casa product range. Select smart lights, then choose smart bulb LB100 KL100 series. Power up your smart bulb and wait for it to blink 3 times. You will be connected to smart bulb. Choose your Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and the bulb will be connected to your home network. Name your device, and this is the name you will mention to Google Assistant. So we will put table lamp on this one. Select the icon, and congratulations! Click sounds good. A firmware update will prompt you to update. It will take several minutes to finish depending on the speed of your internet. Once the update is completed, your device will restart. In order to control the smart bulb via Google Assistant, you need to download Google Home app at Play Store. Once you log into your Google account, you can see all the devices that are linked and not yet linked to your account. Click the plus sign at the upper left hand and link your smart home device. Click the TP-Link Casa, then reconnect account. After that, you can now control your smart LED bulb via Google Home app. Choose a home, either your existing or a new one. Click Next and move device. Select the location of your lamp. Click Next, and here you can see all the smart home products that are connected to my bedroom. Select bedroom lights and you can control them separately or both. There are some preset scene that you can choose from: Ivory, Daylight, Cool White, Warm White, Incandescent, and Candlelight. Now let's take a look at the Casa app. Here you can see the table lamp we recently added. You can dim up to 1% to 100%. You can change the color temperature from 2700K to 6500K. It also has its own preset, as you can see here. In Casa app, you need to group them. Just click the plus sign, group, and add them both. Save and choose a name. Now you can see the group at the home page. You can now control both lamps here, the brightness and the color. Click the settings to check how many devices are included on the group. Now let's check the scenes. You can save your own scene you like and define what will be set up. You can select time and which days you want this scene to get on or off. You can see all your schedule at the activity. You can also schedule a smart action based on the sunrise and sunset timing, so make sure your location is correct. Now let's try to control using Google Assistant. I'm using my Google Home speaker, but as long as you have Google Assistant on your phone, you can use that. You can also control your smart bulb anywhere as long as you have an internet. If you're planning to start your smart home system, I recommend to buy smart bulb first, and this TP-Link smart LED bulb is just perfect. I will do a separate episode for Google Home speaker. For the giveaway mechanics, you just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel Box TV, like our Facebook page Box TV PH, watch this video, and lastly, comment your YouTube username on our Facebook page and tag as many friends as you can on the comment section. One lucky winner will be randomly selected and will be announced on our Facebook page on October 10 at around 10 p.m. Good luck everyone! If you like this video, please do consider subscribing for more smart home products review and unboxing. Until the next one, goodbye! Hey Google! Turn off my floor lamp.
I understood. Turn off my floor lamp. Is that right?
Yes.